What?
With what? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
That's a lot of rice.
Yeah, it's okay. I know you're gonna love it.
Yeah?
You're gonna love your cook.
You hungry?
Yes,
Yeah.
super hungry. You want to take this one?
Maybe you get the big spoon.
Or this one?
Yeah.
This one. Oh, that white one.
Yeah, that's good.
And this one works.
Okay.
Better.
Bring over your plate. That's it, huh? Not joking.
No. Give me some soup. Yeah, and my rice. The gravy.
So,
Wow.
should be good. It's been simmering a long time.
Yeah, you start cooking at 4.
I don't remember what. Yeah, something like
You
that.
text me. I'm just too busy. Oh, up here.
All right.
Okay. Ooh.
All right. That's good for me.
Okay. Need some mushroom now?
That enough? Do you want some more?
I'm okay with this.
Good for now?
Yeah, let's say some grits.
All right. You save time. You do it better.
Receive from the true Christ our Lord. Amen.
All right. On salt.
Thank you, love.
Oh. I gotta get that knife. You want one?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, it's soft. It's very soft now.
Yeah. It's better than the last time.
Yeah.
And it's better meat. Eh? The other one was shank cut. This one is prime rib.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it was cheaper.
This one?
Yeah. I can't believe it. Oh yeah, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Wow.
So you're gonna go get Nika in the morning?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
And get back here before afternoon. You want me to get something on mall tomorrow? You need something? You don't have that bacon? I was that
Yeah, that bacon would be nice. You can get that.
Yeah. Maybe when me and Nika will get back here, we'll stop and do sana.
Okay.
Get that.
Sounds like a plan. Yeah, because I want to try to make that
Burger?
cheese on the bread in the oven with the bacon on it.
Okay.
Like we had one, you could try that.
Yeah. Okay.
So she was disappointed, she's not coming?
You feel, but she's okay.
Yeah.
But she was just asking, how many clothes I'm going to prepare? How long I stay there?
You,
Yeah. And she said she find boring at the house. And I said, why? You didn't find boring here in condo?
yeah.
She said, no, because I have a big TV in my room.
Huh. Yeah, but also just because it's new. Huh?
Yeah, I know.
That's why.
Where at least Brian will come home. They will not be at least lonely. My folks. And then I think Ben is there already now. Want more?
No.
No?
It's good for me.
How about this one?
No, I don't like it. But I'm gonna have some flan,
Oh yeah.
for sure.
Mm-hmm.
You want some?
Mm-hmm.
No?
Not this time. I will have maybe later now.
Alright. Oh,
you can
eat your orange for lunch.
Yeah, because I'm so stressed now.
Oh yeah, okay.
You know what? I ate lunch about 1:30.
Yeah.
Very quick. I didn't even finish all that veggies that you prepared for me. Mmm.
What?
So yummy.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Delicioso.
What's that?
Delicioso.
Yes. Sabroso.
Wow. Perfect lunch.
Yeah.
And there's a lot left over. Oh.
Yeah, so there'll be enough for Nika.
Now,
What?
try this mango. Oh, it's so sweet.
No, I don't eat mango.
Why?
I don't like it.
You don't like durian. You don't like mango.
Yes, those are the two fruits that I don't like.
But it's sweet.
What is mango?
So sweet lang.
Yeah.
You know what, Nika
I just
can...
don't like the look of it. Look how soft it is. I just don't. Now this is sweet.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh my God.
But this is healthy.
This is healthy too.
Okay.
Yummy.
It's skinny. Mmm.
It looks nice. I just don't like the flavor.
Even the juice?
Yeah, even the juice I don't like.
This is not good for people who have cough.
People that have what?
Cough.
What?
You get coffee.
Really?
Mm.
Who told you that?
I'm the doctor, remember?
Yeah.
I'm the doctor. You forget na?
Yeah.
Ha, I prescribe. Yeah, we observed that. If you have a cough, you don't need to eat chicken. You don't need to eat mango. All the possible food that can trigger your cough or your asthma. Something like that.
Your mom, she must have told you about that.
Filipino are real, what do we call that? Physician.
Oh, yeah. Home based.
Home-based physician.
Yes. I know.
And you know what? Mom, instead taking metformin and what's we call it for the amlodipine for the blood pressure to slow down.
Yes.
She rather drink boiled water with the leaves of avocado or guayaba plant.
Really?
Yeah, and she said that it's effective. I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Yeah.
Sometimes if I'm not feeling well, she's making something and she said, "You drink this. You drink this. It's all good for you." No, I'm gonna have the pill.
Yeah, it's just like in the province where you're going to drive around the sharp turn and you blow the horn to scare away the evil spirits.
Oh yeah.
The same. Yes or no?
Yeah.
For sure.
Who told you that? You need to
I'm
go
not
ahead.
sure where I saw that. I saw it on a video somewhere. I don't remember exactly where.
I think I told you last time too, when every time that we cross the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's the Filipino beliefs. So if you live in Philippines, you must believe.
So we got 2 beer each, huh?
Of course. I think I'm okay with the beers even I have a vaccine yesterday, right?
You had what? Vaccine? Yeah, you'd be okay. But I'm telling you, you take it easy. Or I'm gonna call the darn guy captain.
Now, this is the last day of my work in 2023.
I know, I'm joking.
I get so stressed today, so I want to cool down.
Yeah, I know. I'm just kidding.
Call the barangay captain tomorrow.
Okay. All right. All right, I'm going for a smoke.
Okay.
Good dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we'll watch some videos and have a laugh.
Yeah.
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 Or you're gonna do the dishes first.
I'm gonna do the dishes.
All right. What's your food there?
Okay. Are we going to continue the what movie is that what we're watching? The Ring? Yeah.
Oh, Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe when we get into bed we'll watch some of that, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'll just watch this and then we'll watch video and YouTube.
Okay.